My name is 11, and this is my cousin Yumi. Hi. Let's go. Oh, oh gosh. Here, what's your name? My name is Yumi. My name is Yumi. Very good. Donut for you. Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy or sad? Okay, wait. Ah, are you happy or sad? Are you happy? Happy. Okay, good job. I'm gonna click it. Let me see the picture. Ako. Let me see the picture. This is a grandfather, and this is a kid. This is a kid. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Sabihin mo, grandfather. Grandfather, and this is a kid. Say kid. Say kid. And this is a window. Say window. Window. Say window. Very good. You have a donut again. This is a ako. This is a ice cream. And this is a tree. Yay! You have a trophy. What is this? This is a tray. And this. You have a ice cream. This is a cat. You have a banana. This is swimming. Swimming, swimming. You have a apple. This is a ball. You have say bowl. You have a watermelon. Good job. Next page. Ta-da! This is it. This is a jacket. You are right. Wait for teacher 11. You have a candy. Good job. Up here. High five. This is a sink. You have another candy. You have another candy. Trophy for you. This is a chocolate. You have a trophy from me. This is a pineapple. This is a pineapple. See it. Five apple. Yay! Good job! Up here. High five. Okay. This is a short. You have a watermelon. A pineapple. This is a garden. You have a star from me. Teacher 11. This is a bathroom. You have another ice cream. Yum, yum, yum. Good job. High five, high five. This is a kitchen. You have say kitchen. Three times. Kitchen, 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 kitchen. Say it. Kitchen, 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 kitchen. Yes, this is okay. This is for you. You have you have two candies, but I gonna give you six candies. Hmm. It's fine now, guys. Oh, flip. Bye bye. You have a see you next. I love you, my cousin.